Use pry tool to open the lower cover. Unscrew the 2 fixed screws. Open the ventilation panel directly and unplug the power plug. Remove the kick plate. Remove the vent with a screwdriver. A flathead screwdriver is required for several buckles. Remove the circuit board. Take out the matching kick plate. Align the circuit board and install it. After installation, you can put the power plug back. Take out the blue plug under the adapter cable. Take out the seat control cable. The line separated from the docking adapter line. Pull the seat control wire along the gap to the other side of the seat. Unscrew the screws under the seat. Transfer the pulled control wire to the panel. After installation, you can put the panel back and screw back the screws. Take out the matching vent. Unscrew the screw on the right. Put the vent on. Pay attention to the bayonet on the left and right sides. Screw back the screw. Take out the matching screen and separate flat cable pair to plug in. The white plug with the green wire from the adapter is connected to the socket of the control box. Another longer wire is docked to the socket behind the screen with red and black wires hanging from it. Plug the red and black wire pair into the red and black wire behind the kick plate. Replace the kick plate and replace the lower two screws. Replace the cover. Fix the screen with screws. Put on the case.